Here's a quick review on this case here for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. And this one here I paid only like $19. And this one here comes with a ring, and it says Drop Plus 4X tested to military standard. And let me show you, and I have the link below where I got it. Okay, so this one has the ring on here, as you can see, and you can go ahead and turn this. You can make this a kickstand as well. And the material is kind of like hard, soft plastic. And you have some extra protection in here as well. And here's the other side here. Now take note that this one, it comes with adhesive on here, okay? You have to have adhesive, okay? So let's go ahead and put this this one side on. So you put this side on first, okay? See where the camera is? So we're just gonna go ahead and pop that in here, just like that. And like I said, you have adhesive here. You have to use the adhesive. I mean, you can put it in without even using the adhesive. But I mean, the issue is it's gonna start like kind of sliding out. You can see right there, okay? So you gotta take that, I'll go ahead and take that adhesive off, but almost forgot to mention, but they gave you two of these these tempered glass protection for the for your camera lens. But let's go ahead and put this side on first. So let me go ahead and take this adhesive off. There we go. There's one, and there's another one here on this side. Okay, there we go. And that's the second side. So it's a little sticky in there. Yeah, that should be perfect. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pop this side in. Pop that in there, and then once you put that in there, just go ahead and press down so that adhesive like sticks on there. All right. Oh, I forgot to put on the tempered glass for the lens. Of course, this is optional. I might as well just go ahead and put it on. So you got to take the case off, actually. Sorry. So now you're just going to go ahead and make sure the lens is nice and clean. I'm going to go ahead and get this just like this, and we're going to go ahead and place that on here. Make it nice and perfect. Boom. Just like that. And now I can go ahead and reattach this one here. And there you go. So you got the ring here. Of course it turns. You can also make this kind of a kickstand as well. You can kind of put that down like that, or you can turn it like that. And you can see that the hinge here is exposed. I have another case where this is like closed, but those cases, I mean, I paid like $90. Again, this one here was like $19. And all the cutouts are perfect. Speaker, mic, charging port, speaker. And you can see that both of the volume rockers are covered here, except for the home or the power button here is exposed. And it doesn't feel slippery or anything like that. And it just feels good overall in the hand. And yeah, I mean, for $19, I'll take it. There you guys go.